In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing. Anyway, I got on my t-shirt. You can see it. Anyway, celebration coming up very soon. St. Patrick Day. A lot of people will be coming out to celebrate. You know what I mean? Come together, having a good time. I will definitely making that lovely drink, that Guinness punch, that Guinness drink. You know what I mean? That Guinness shot, or you know what I mean, something for St. Patrick Day. Every year, and I'm going to do something fantastic. And this year, I'm going to be doing something amazing where you guys definitely going to be loving it. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook. Get the latest update on what's going on the Instagram or the Twitter, on the Facebook. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving the best recipes, ideas, and things what's going on. Stay tuned with the team and see exactly, guys. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell.